Hi guys, today I will explain you on my way why should you use Gmail instead of YouTube notification. What I said right now probably gonna confuse you, but I will explain you soon. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This channel is all about to help you how to grow your audience and channel. If you are first time here, please hit the subscribe button so next time you don't miss anything. We all know most of people, like 70%, use mobile for YouTube. They actually use only notification, not that much Gmail. Unfortunately, they always miss some parts. When you go to notification, you can see here your supporters upload new video. So you go check this video, comment, and that's all. But most of us, we answer on our comments. So I'm gonna show you example. Me personally, I'm not getting notification always he answer on my comment. So that's why I use Gmail. Here is a new video from Dulce. I go check she's video, watch she's video, and put a comment. Then I gotta answer here. So I can read comment here and also go here to answer again. What I want to say, 100 time on my video, someone comment something. Then I answer to him. Or I ask him on my video under his comment. But he never coming back to continue with conversation. I know just a few people who do that. This is why's main reason to use Gmail also, beside YouTube notifications. I hope guys I help you with this video. If you got some question, please comment below. And if you're first time here, please hit the subscribe button so next time you don't miss anything. Thank you.